बढ़िया कैलकुलेट कर रहा है.
Oh,
So
and
let's see what he
Gukesh
comes
is
up
not
with.
on the board.
Can we
Do
see
we have a
Gukesh's
hall?
restroom?
Do we have a full
Oh, we
hall?
can't go
Right.
into his washroom.
मतलब not
No,
resting
resting
area.
area.
But he's in the
Resting
wash.
area.
How
भाई
does
इसको
Restroom
क्या हो
is
गया यार?
washrooms आ गए. Rest.
हॉट बेड देखना है, रेस्टरूम में देखना है भाई, क्या हो गया?
देखो नहीं
Gukesh is not
he's
there.
in the washroom?
Oh, by the way,
let's
guys, I
not
must
go
tell
there.
you the story of that. He
Ah,
came,
what
but
an
if we can just
He
look
came
at
because you
his
were seeing him
resting
there.
area, not restroom, resting area, there is one jacket lying there. And this is a very nice story because when Gukesh went to the first round of the candidates in 2024, he was facing Vidit. And he felt very cold in the hall. He came with a jacket normal. If we can show him, in this Waka and Westbridge jacket. And then from next day onwards, he was like, "Agar thandi laga, I need something." So he started bringing his jacket, and he would place it on his chair, and he would just play. And he never used the jacket ever in the tournament. Then he did that, I think, also for the Olympiad. Now he has got it here, and he's keeping it inside in the room. Maybe it's a small superstition now, I feel.
What a stalker you are यार.
अरे भाई मुझे लगा आप बोलोगे wow so observant you are, you know.
Glass half full, glass empty, half empty. तो डिंग के अभी कुछ बेल्ट के बारे में कुछ पता होगा अगर आपको?
नहीं, डिंग का अभी तक कुछ पता नहीं चला है, but I think we'll get to know slowly because we have cameras in his resting area, we have everything here. By the way, they say that in World Championship match, because it's two players facing each other, they can also hear the opponent's breathing. So matlab you get so intimate with your opponent in a way, not guys, not that in a
Then it feels
like
like a
mentally.
hotbed.
no, you get to
You get to, yeah, please go ahead, make it worse. Go ahead, bhai. Complete your sentence.
you get to know your opponent really well. like you know, after a world championship match, sometimes people get sick of each other just seeing their face because it's like
Sagar is the kind of player that when his opponent leaves the room, he will just smell his chair. Just to get to know him very well.
अरे ऐसे नहीं भाई.
क्या खाया था इसने सुबह?
But he has a point, right? For the next like 2 weeks.
Not
you,
he.
no, you have a point.
Ah, thank you.
Not he.
Thank God.
That for the next 2 weeks, actually, these two are going to be spending so much time
Yeah.
in the most pressured, tensed environment of their lives.
See, that's such a good way to put it.
No, I remember that when Kasparov and Karpov played in 1985 with each other, then 86, then 87, like these matches they
Yeah.
played, they got so tired of seeing each other. They were like, "Bhai, ye isko
हो
nahi
गया."
dekh raha hai. I want to just."
No, but Sagar, after the championship, actually it makes sense that for the two players who have understood each other so well, they should work together.
Huh?
Kind of, you
Yeah,
can
but
say
like, they
that,
were the
like,
best
for
practice
example,
partners,
Kramnik Anand, they
Yeah.
were like real warriors against each other on the board, but now very good friends.
But also, regardless of what happens in the match, you always have this thing you're going to compete with them again, right? Amrita, you might want, you're looking for that revenge match. You're looking to come back. I mean,
Yeah.
so that also changes the dynamic of whether you want to work together or not.
Right.